Hello, this is Chris Cowan, and here's my video of Enhancement 5, starting off at the vehicle management page, and we'll go into add classification, and we'll start off by validating the CSS and HTML. There's the CSS, and there is the HTML, and we have our form here. The navigation bar is being delivered through the controller as a function. And let's see, if I leave this blank and try to add a classification, I get the client side filter there. And then if I do the no validate and try it, I get my server side error message show up. And of course we can see, do I have lemons in there? No. We can of course add one if we want, add classification, and there's lemons showing up. So we could go to add vehicle now. We'll do the same thing. Validate local CSS. Looks good. And validate local HTML. Looks good. And same deal. Navigation bar being delivered. And I don't know, we'll do Toyota Tacoma. This is a great truck. And price we'll put in there, and I'll leave the rest empty. Add vehicle, and I get the client side filter, and everything is sticky, which is great. Did I show sticky on the other one? Probably not. I'll have to show you that too. And of course, if we do the no validate, try again, get my server side error. Oh, I should probably have changed this to sports, show that that's sticky also. There's the error, stays at sports. So it's all good. Let's see what else. Let me jump back to, let's jump back to add classification. Lemons, let's do a different one. Let's do lemons 2. Oh, well, that's not going to be sticky, I guess, because it's going to work. So I won't do that one. But it is sticky. Anyway, I think that's it. Did the HTML, the validations work, everything's sticky, and that's it. Thank you.